Welcome to this section on input-target correlations. Understanding how each input variable relates to the target variable is one of the most essential steps in data preparation. It helps you identify which features are relevant, which are weak, and which may not contribute to the predictive model. Let's start with the concrete properties example. We open Neural Designer and from the menu on the left side of the screen, click on the Examples button. All the available examples are displayed, and we select the concrete properties example. Click on Calculate Input Target Correlations in the Task Manager tab. A dialog will appear where you can choose the maximum number of correlated pairs you want to display, and you can also select whether to compute Pearson or Spearman correlation. Before moving forward, let's look at these options. On one hand, Pearson measures linear relationships, working best with straight-line trends without extreme outliers. On the other hand, Spearman measures monotonic trends, making it ideal for curved patterns or data with unusual observations. But don't worry too much about choosing, because Neural Designer actually optimizes this behind the scenes. The software automatically tests multiple correlation types, like linear, logarithmic, logistic, exponential, and power, and picks the highest value. This ensures the final results perfectly reflect the true relationship between our variables. Once you confirm your choices, Neural Engine will compute all input target correlations and open the Neural Viewer automatically. You'll first see a correlation chart for each target variable, listing the most significant correlations between input and target variables. The number of pairs shown depends on what you selected earlier. Neural Designer also displays a correlation table that contains all pairwise correlations among the inputs. In this table, you can quickly identify strong positive relationships and strong negative relationships, usually in greenish colors, variables that are weakly related to all others in reddish colors. That concludes our section on input-target correlations. In the next video, we'll continue with another key diagnostic tool, scatter plots, which help visualize how individual inputs impact the target.